Hi everyone, let's talk about something that every single one of us faces, setbacks. I know what it feels like to pour your heart into something only to see it crumble. A few years ago, I faced a major setback in my business. I felt defeated, embarrassed, and ready to give up. But you know what? That moment became the foundation for my biggest comeback. As today, I'm here to share how you can turn your setbacks into setups for success. Acknowledge your feelings. When a setback hits, it's okay to feel hurt, frustrated, or even angry. Allow yourself to process those emotions, but don't stay stuck there. I remember crying for days when my plans failed. But then I asked myself, what's next? That's when I realized setbacks are temporary if you decide they are. Find the lesson. Every setback has a lesson hidden in it. My failure taught me to manage my time better and to set realistic expectations. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Instead of seeing it as a failure, see it as a feedback, a guide on how to move forward smarter. Take action, no matter how small. When you're feeling stuck, taking action is the best way to regain control. Start small. I took baby steps after my setback. One phone call, one task, one goal at a time, and slowly I began to rebuild. Remember, it's not about how fast you move, it's about not giving up. Then surround yourself with support. Lean on people who uplift and encourage you. I reached out to my mentors and friends, and their words reminded me of my worth when I couldn't see it myself. Now, let's do a recap of everything that I mentioned to you now. Setbacks are tough, but they're not the end. They're opportunities to grow, learn, and come back stronger. You can face them and you can actually overcome them. If you're going through a setback right now, you don't have to face it alone. Drop let's say, a muscle in the comments or send me a message and let's figure out your next step together. You've got this.